shopping for 50 freaking rupees, 299 rupees, 299 rupees on sale. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So first of all, Happy New Year to everyone. This is the first video of 2021 and I'm so excited to post even more videos. Anyway, coming back to today's video, I'm doing such a different video this time. But I went for shopping recently and I did get some stuff, so I thought I should do a haul video because personally I love watching haul videos. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. And without further ado, let's get started. Anyway, I'll start off with Marks and Spencer because I just bought two things from there. So first off, I bought these super baggy pants from Marks and Spencer. They're actually a size bigger and that's the reason they're even more baggy, but otherwise it's a relaxed straight fit and it is so freaking comfortable. I cannot even tell you. I wore this on New Year's Eve, not that I went out anywhere, but I just styled them at home and I just love how easy this is to style because I just wore like big hoops, a chunky sweater and black boots and I was good to go. And you won't believe how much I got this for. This was literally for 590 rupees, which is so cheap for Marks and Spencer because like literally everything is above 1000 over there, so this was definitely a steal. Next up, I bought these shorts from Marks and Spencer. They're very comfortable, obviously. It's such a pretty color, very summery, and yeah, like Marks and Spencer has the best jeans and like any bottom wear, so obviously it's a little expensive, but if you search correctly, especially on sales, you can find like the best deals. And this was for the same price, 590 rupees. So this is what I got from Marks and Spencer. Let's move on to H&M. I bought all of this stuff like a few days back and I went to H&M, so they had this pre-access sale and I'm a member, so I could get access to the sale and it's very easy to become a member. You just have to sign in to their app and that's it. You're a member and then you can get the sale. Anyway, so I actually went to buy hoodies from H&M because like they have good quality hoodies. I was looking for like very basic plain hoodies, but my size was not available only, so obviously I couldn't get that. So I didn't really get any wintry clothes from H&M, but I got this top which I'm wearing right now. It's a super pretty lavender color. I just love the fitting and this top is actually very trendy, like the whole button situation that is going on here. This kind of top I've seen all over Instagram and Pinterest and I was actually looking for the perfect top and I finally found this in H&M, so I was like, I have to buy this. This was for 800 rupees and otherwise I got these biker shorts, cycling shorts. I got this, again very comfortable. They are like super stretchy. I don't know if you can see, but there are like lines on this thing and yeah, just a basic. Oh, and I got this shorts for like 500 rupees. Next I bought these shorts from H&M. Very vibrant color, it's like yellowish orange. Again, super comfortable and the waist is also very stretchy and I just love the whole design pattern of this shorts and you won't believe how much this was for. Literally 299 rupees on sale. If you like go into the store and look correctly, you can find literally the best pieces of clothing and like for so cheap. Like next to the pile where all these shorts were kept, there was like this like they had hung these shirts for 50 freaking rupees and I was laughing so hard at looking at them, like 50 rupees ka kya bechta hai koi. And it was like these sleeveless shirts which were like transparent shirts, like a very, I think it was like a beach cover up or something. It could be used like that, but I don't know, it was for 50 rupees. But anyway, I didn't need anything like that, so I didn't get it. But yeah, next I bought this very basic black shirt. It has a knot at the bottom, very easy to style, good for summers obviously. It's extremely breathable as well, so this was a good buy. And this one is again for 500, same price. The next and the last thing I bought from H&M are these pair of shoes. I like love the print, it's like daisies I guess, and I just like love the look of it. It's very casual. I just bought it to wear it as like normal day-to-day life mein. And it's like I just like the prints I bought, and you won't believe again. This was for freaking 299 rupees. Like, are you kidding me? You can literally find anything in H&M. You can find such inexpensive pieces of clothing or like shoes or jewelry, whatever. It's super cool. So I just bought these casual shoes. And that's it for H&M. Let's move on to Amazon. So I didn't buy pieces of clothing from Amazon, but I thought I'd just include it in this video because they're just like cool items. And I received them today itself. So I thought I'd include कर देती हूँ video में. So first off, I bought this jade roller. I'm sure you've heard of it like everywhere. It's basically a face massager, so you just have to like roll it here, and like you can roll it here. And apparently it's supposed to work, and I just used it like once or twice. Obviously, I don't know if it's making any difference, but I'm gonna use it regularly and let's see if this works. Again, this was like for like 270 or something like that. So again, it's not very expensive. And the next thing I bought is this hair scalp shampoo massager thing. So I actually heard of this in Ashna Hegde's as well as Tarini Shah's video. Like they were talking about Amazon favorites and stuff. So this massager thing, so basically when you're like washing your hair, you just have to hold it and then you can like massage your head. I used this once and I just enjoyed doing it. It like gives you a deep cleanse, so I thought it was a cool purchase. Again, these two items, it's not something you need, but if you are willing to spend, then yeah, sure, you can go ahead and buy these. I'll leave a link in the description in case you're interested. And oh, this was for around 320, but like the prices keep fluctuating on Amazon, so you can check for yourself. That's it from Amazon, and let's move on to like the other stores. So I bought these two joggers or sweatpants, whatever you call them, from Reliance Trends, which is surprising because usually I never find anything I like in Reliance Trends, but I found these joggers and let me tell you, the quality is so good. So like these grey ones, it's a very basic jogger pants. It has like the stripes on the edges, but it's very comfortable, such good quality, very thick and perfect for winters. So I had to buy these because anyway we are all staying at home, so we need something comfortable to wear. So I bought these joggers. And the other one are these green joggers, and again they're super comfortable. They're actually the dry fit material. I just bought these joggers to wear them like casually. So yeah, that's it from Reliance. And also, oh, I didn't mention the price of these joggers. I think both of them were for 800 to 900 rupees. I'm not sure because I removed the price tag. And yeah, that's it for my haul. I actually bought these pieces of clothing like from H&M and Marks and Spencer like a few days back, and I'm sure the sale is still going on, so you might actually find them in the store or online, so you can check them out if you want to. Also, I bought everything on sale, and that's the reason these items are very inexpensive as compared to the original pricing, obviously. So yeah, that's that. And I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any video ideas or anything else that you would want me to know, you can please leave them in the comment section below. And if you made it till here, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. And until next time, bye.